Across the country, pediatricians say fewer parents are bringing in their kids for regular vaccines. In fact, they're down as much as 70%. And now, as medical reporter Meg Ferris explains, a local doctor fears there could be a wave of sick children if that doesn't change.
Like many other families, Kirsten Beary is trying to get through daily life during this pandemic. She has 3 children between 1 and 4. Just recently, the youngest was due for the normal wellness exam and vaccines, but it was canceled. Instead, she was offered a virtual visit.
It did concern me whenever they suggested that they were moving to video because, whenever we go in the office, they're really hands-on. And so they're not doing vaccinations at all right now. So we did miss those.
Oxnard pediatrician Dr. Michael Wasserman has concerns too because other parents are skipping scheduled childhood vaccines, saying they're afraid of going to a doctor's office.
These are very serious diseases which are preventable. So if we're worried about coronavirus being a bad disease, and indeed it is, we've got a whole other bunch of bad diseases.
He reminds parents that illnesses such as mumps, measles, and whooping cough can cause brain damage, infertility, loss of hearing, and death.
Measles is even more contagious than coronavirus. The droplets can stay in the air in a room for 2 to 4 hours.
Kirsten is with Red Stick Mom and says vaccination's not something parents are talking about on their blog. She plans to get her children their vaccines as soon as her doctor in Baton Rouge opens for office exams. Dr. Wasserman is letting his Metairie patients know that well visits are in a different location from sick patient visits.
These are things that are important to prevent, and I think we take them a little too much for granted because most people don't remember having seen epidemics of these diseases.
This epidemic is preventable.
Please, 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 don't defer, don't delay, get your immunizations now.
Meg Ferris, Eyewitness News.
And Dr. Wasserman reminds everyone that there is still no vaccine for this coronavirus.